Today, we're gonna get to make this bunny rabbit bag. The first thing that we need is our white paper so that we can make the ears. What we're gonna do is we're going to fold our paper in half. So I'm gonna take my paper, I'm going to fold it over, I'm gonna match the corner to the corner, and I'm gonna line it up real carefully. I'm gonna hold it with this hand, I'm gonna press out and down with this hand, folding that in half. Then I'm going to draw a bunny ear shape. What that looks like, it's gonna go from the very bottom, it's gonna come up with a curved line. Can you see how I curved that line? Then I'm gonna come down with a curved line too. Then I will cut it out while the paper is still folded. That way it'll cut out 2 ears because a bunny has 2 ears. Then I will fold my pink paper in half. Now my pink paper ear has to be smaller than the white paper. So I'm going to trace this first. Then I'm going to draw a pink ear inside of this traced paper. So if this is my white ear, I know that this pink ear will fit inside my white ear. So it'll look like this. Now I'm just going to cut out the smaller one. I'm not cutting out the big one that I traced. I'm cutting out the smaller line. This will be the inside of the ear. Then I will take my pink ear. I'm going to make sure that the side of white paper that has the line on it, I'm going to flip it over to where it's on the back. I'm going to put 5 drops of glue. It does not take a lot of glue. It's not falling off my paper. It's just 5 small drops of glue to glue down my pink ear. I'm going to glue it down on the inside of my white paper, just like this. I'm going to do the same thing with this pink paper. It's not a lot of glue. I'm going to glue it down right there. Then at the bottom here, I'm going to put several dots of glue. Because that's going to go on the inside of my bag. So I need to turn my bag to the side that you see the line going down the middle. So if I see the line, that's going to be the front. I'm going to open my bag up. I'm going to put my ear on the inside of this paper. Just like this. I'm going to put the other ear on the other side of my paper, just like this. It looks like I made my ears a little too big and I had to overlap them, but that's okay. So I'm gluing it to the front side of this paper. Then I'm going to put 2 eyes on my bunny. I have several different eyes. I'm going to pick out 2 that are the same size. Just like this. I'm going to glue them on either side of that line pretty close together. For this, you need quite a bit of glue. So I made a puddle of glue there. Not a huge puddle, but a puddle. And I'm going to stick down that eye. And do the same thing with the other one. Notice that I put quite a bit of glue. It's because these eyes don't like to stay on very easily, so you have to put quite a bit of glue. Then I'm going to take one cotton ball and I'm going to put it right here in the middle, right on the line. And I use quite a bit of glue for this too. I'm going to stick it right there. Then I'm going to find a black colored pencil. So in my colored pencils, I'm going to find my black. And I'm going to come down that line and I'm going to curve out to make a smiley face. Then I'm going to come down that line and I'm going to curve out to make a smiley face on the other side. Now he needs whiskers. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw 3 whiskers on this side and 3 whiskers on this side. We're going to choose buttons to put on his shirt. He's going to have 3 buttons. So I'm going to put 3 dots of glue down that line. Once again, you need quite a bit of glue, maybe even more glue than that. So I'm going to put just a little bit more. It takes quite a bit of glue for the buttons to stick. Then I'm going to choose my buttons. I want to put the button right in the middle, and I want to see glue coming out of the holes. Did a blue circle, a green square, and an orange star. You choose what buttons you want. You don't have to use the same buttons that I did. But you can see how the glue is coming out of those holes. That will help it hold to the paper. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the rest of our pink paper and I'm going to make a rainbow shape that's like this. Just a small one. It's going to be the feet of the rabbit. It's going to be his foot. And then I'm going to cut it out. You can see that I'm going to glue it at the bottom of my bag to make his feet. It does not take a lot of glue to glue down paper, so I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3 dots of glue. I'm going to glue them on. 1, 2, 3 dots of glue. Then I'm going to take my black colored pencil again. I'm going to draw a circle on each foot and then 3 ovals. 1, 2, 3. If you use too much glue, your paper is going to rip. So that's why we don't use too much glue. Then we're going to color them in. Now you have a finished bunny.